Hi everyone, welcome back to our vlog. Today I will be making of my diet. So I have this burger band right here. I also, as you can see, look at that, it is so pretty. There. And I also have a cucumber. Just cut it a little thin. This guys, look at that, it's so pretty. Hi everyone, welcome back to our vlog. Today I will be making a diet food. Today I will be making my diet food, so I will blend it up on my plate. There. Look at this, so pretty guys. Just put it all the way down there. I also have this cherry tomato. I have a burger buns right here. This is arugula, which is really good for you. Right here. And I will be putting the eggs on top of the bread. And also I have a pita cheese. Some pita cheese on top of the eggs. And I will be putting some little mayonnaise. And I get this reduced fat, which is olive oil, guys. Just put like that. That is really nice, guys. Look at that, so pretty. Look at that, guys. It's so just put like so pretty. You know, the regular on top of it. Then I put the cucumber. I also have tomato. Look at that, guys. It's so pretty, pretty. Guys. I just use my hand because, you know, it's better. Okay. Mostly the cucumber. This is called burger eggs band. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell below. Thank you.